Welcome back to Cairo. Today, in part 2, we journey through the spiritual heart of Old Cairo and the neoclassical grandeur of the modern city. Our first stop is the Hanging Church. Built over a Roman fortress, its nave actually hangs 30 feet above the ground on ancient palm logs. Inside, the art is breathtaking, from the ceiling shaped like Noah's Ark to the marble pulpit representing Jesus and his apostles. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Moving to the heart of modern Cairo, we find Tahrir Square, a symbolic space of liberation and home to the iconic Egyptian Museum. This salmon-pink palace, opened in 1902, was the first purpose-built national museum in the Middle East. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Even before you enter, the garden is a museum in itself, guarded by ancient sphinxes and towering pharaonic statues. Among its treasures is the Narmer Palette, a 5,000-year-old stone slab considered the world's oldest historical document. While many pieces have moved to the new GEM, this museum remains a vital repository of over 100,000 artifacts. This is Khedive Cairo. In the 1860s, Khedive Ismail aimed to transform this city into the Paris of the East. Walking through downtown is like visiting a living museum of early 20th century European and Art Deco architecture. Historic spots like Café Riche have been meeting points for revolutionaries and writers for over 100 years. Crossing the Qasr El Nil Bridge, guarded by its famous lions, you get one of the best panoramic views of the modern skyline. Today, the Khedive Cairo Revival Project is restoring these grand boulevards to their former visual glory. Our tour of Cairo's Parisian heart concludes here. Join us in part 3 as we explore the hidden gems of the city's modern soul. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.